Hello everyone, my name is Usaid Muhammad Bahabri and my student number is 2245808876. For this task, I worked on analyzing YouTube videos and comments from various news publishers and understanding audience behavior and engagement. This involved using data cleaning, preparation, and analysis techniques to drive meaningful insights from the dataset. The first step, cleaning and preparing the data. The code start by reading data from two files, one with information about YouTube videos and one with comments that people left on those videos. We have the first step, which is clean video data. It makes sure the video titles have no punctuation marks, number, or uppercase letter. All titles are turned into lowercase letter. Then we have clean the comments, like with the video titles. It removes punctuation marks, number, and convert all text to lowercase in the comments. Next, we have expand constructions. Sometimes people use shorter forms of words like can't instead of cannot. The code changes these contractions into their full form to make text easier to work with. And we have, of course, remove duplicates and rows with missing comments. This means the code checks if there are any duplicates comment and removes them so that there is only one of each unique comments. And filter non-English comments. The code makes sure that only comments written in English are kept. If a comment is in another language, it is removed. Then we have stop word removal. Stop words are common words like and the is, which is usually aren't very useful for analysis. And we apply the same concept in the prepare section. The first analysis, I start by loading the data from a CSV file named videos.csv. I read this data into a data frame called videos, which is like a table that holds information about various videos, such as their views counts, like counts, and comments counts. Then I create a figure with three subplots arranged side by side. I set the figure size to 18 units wide and 6 units tall. To decide what data to plot, I choose three columns, which is view counts, like count, and comment count. These are the metric I want to visualize. And in order to plot the data, I use loop to create histogram for each of the three chosen columns. To avoid issue with log, I added 1 to every value in each column. Since log don't work with 0, this shift ensures that everything plots smoothly. After plotting, I adjust the layout, as you can see here, and I finally display the plot. And this is my result, as you can see here. The log distribution of view counts peaks around 5 to 5.5 on the log scale, indicating the most videos between 100 and 316,000. There is a slight right skew suggesting some videos have many more views. The log distributions of the like, as you can see here, There is a slight right skew suggesting some videos have many more views. The log distribution of like counts peak around 3.3, as you can see here on the log scale, showing the most likes are around 1000, with some outliners having many more. The log distribution of comments, as you can see here in the last graph, has a sharp peak between 2.5 and 3.0. On the log scale, meaning most comments fall between 300 and 1000. However, the histograms also has, as you can see here, right skew, indicating some posts gets a lot more comments. Moving to the next analysis was about total views, likes, and comments. As you can see here, first I load data from CSV into a data frame. This data frame contains information about various videos, including the counts of views, likes, and comments. Next, I identify the column that represent the publishers, naming it publishers underscore column. This column contains the name of the channels or publishers who own the videos. And to calculate the total views, like, and comments by publisher, I used group by method on the data frame, grouping by the publishers column. After grouping, I use AGG function to calculate the sum of each metric, views, likes, and comment. I store the result in publisher totals and then reset the index to ensure it's in standard data frame format. For the first plot, as you can see here, I used Seaborn to create bar plot for each of the three metric: total view, like view, and comments. Broken down by publisher, I set different color patterns for each plot to make them visually decent. For the first plot, subplot, I plot the total views by publisher, setting appropriate title and access labels. To ensure the plot are properly maintained, I use plt.height underscore layout to adjust the layout of the subplots. And this is my result. Based on the graphs, as you can see, CNN has the most engagement, outperforming BBC News, Fox News, and MSNBC in all the three: views, likes, and comment. CNN totals view exceeded 50 millions, more than twice the views of the second highest BBC News, and CNN also has over 3 times more likes, as you can see here, has over 3 times more likes and comments than the next leading publisher in those metrics. As you can see here, Fox News, third in views, has more like comments than MSNBC. MSNBC has the least views, as you can see here, and the least likes. Then this indicates that CNN likely has a larger or more engaged audience compared to its competitors. And for the last analysis, first I load 2 data frame. Next, I calculate the total number of replies for each comment. I do this by counting how many times each parent comments ID appears in the comment. This tells me how many replies each comment has received. After that, I went to find root comments, which are comments that don't have any parent comments, meaning they are not replies to other comments. To do this, I selected only the rows in the comments. Underscore df, where the parent comments ID is in a n, which is not a number, indicating they are root comments. I then added reply counts these root comments. To do this, I map the comments underscore ID of the root comments of reply underscore counts. As you can see here, next I need additional information. Additional information about these comments, like which video they belong and the channel that posted the videos. And this is, as you can see, my result. The top 10 comments with the most replies come from 4 news publishers. As you can see, Fox News, BBC News, CNN, and MSNBC. This shows that these channels might have busy comments sections or content that people like or talk about. Looking at the text, these comments topic about current events, health like coronavirus, pandemic seems to attract more replies and engagement. This could be because these topics are interesting to many people and often lead to debates or more conversation among viewers. And I want to talk about the challenges I faced. The first challenge was figuring out how different pieces of data were connected, especially when I had to merge multiple data frames. To solve this, I carefully selected the right keys to merging and made sure the join logic was correct. Another challenge I faced was with plotting. My intentional plots were overlapping and didn't look right, so I realized I need to adjust the layout to give more space between the subplots. And to fix this, I use plt.tight underscore layout, and then plot came out much cleaner. Thank you for watching.